Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today is the part 2 of the favorite Amazon Korean beauty series, and I'm so excited to use all my favorite makeup products to create a simple everyday makeup look. And if you also want to know how to create glossy, dewy skin by using skincare, check out the part 1 of the series, and I'll link the video up here if you are interested. So let's get started. Starting with base makeup, the product I'm using today is the Clio Kill Cover Cushion Foundation. What I love about this one is its lightweight feeling and velvet semi-matte finish. This has sun protection with SPF 50 PA++. It provides medium to full coverage and very long lasting. It stays put on my skin really well without being cakey or patchy and doesn't transfer onto my mask. This cushion can cover pores and also great for humid weather. And what's also great is that the product comes with a refill, so you only paying one and getting 2 cushions. This comes with a puff, but I love using Beauty Blender to apply it. Dab it and tap to spread around your face. Start with a thin layer to create a natural and flawless base. Next up is the concealer. I'm using the Saem Cover Perfection Concealer Duo. This combines both liquid and stick concealer in one product. The liquid is great for larger area coverage like under the eyes, cheeks, and the stick is great for covering up small and narrow areas such as acne and under the nose. This also has SPF 28 PA++. You will feel great that your skin is being protected against the sun with this extra protection. The formula is really blendable, doesn't dry out skins, and doesn't accentuate wrinkles, and stays put all day. I have dark circles, and even worse, I have blue veins under my eye ever since I was a kid. So covering those has become my biggest issue until I found this. What I do is to use the tip to dot under my eye area and then use Beauty Blender to even out for a natural and smooth look. To set the base makeup, I'm using Innisfree No Sebum Mineral Powder. This is a lightweight, translucent powder that can control sebum, blotch the oil or shine really well without any white cast or dryness. The skin still peeks through with a healthy glow, but no oiliness or greasiness. And the powder is also a great alternative to use on your hair as dry shampoo. Use a powder brush to dab lightly all over the face to set the foundation and concealer before the next step. Nowadays, this also helps preventing the base makeup transfer onto your masks. Moving on to eyebrows, I'm using Etude House Drawing Eyebrow. This has 7 different colors and has easy and smooth application, very long lasting. Etude House is one of the famous Korean rose shop brands for its reasonable prices and good quality makeup products. The pencil only costs less than $5, so if you are starting to try out makeup and with a budget, give this one a try. Start from the tip of your eyebrow and follow the direction of the hair for a natural looking brow. Moving on to eyeshadows. I'm using Clio Pro eyeshadow palette, and this is one of my favorite palettes of all time. The The color combination is so pretty. They have different color schemes like pink, coral, brown to choose from. The one I'm using today is number 1, Simply Pink. The color is soft but also highly pigmented if you need it to be. It's so hard to find such pretty pink without making your eyes look swollen. The powder is soft and blendable and melts into the skin and really long wear, no fallout. The palette has matte, shimmer, and glitter combination, so it's easy to create different looks. And what's even great is that the crystal glitter is used with pearls to create soft and beautiful shine. Use the lightest color as the base for the whole eyelid, and then with the medium tone around your eyelash to create more depth. For mascara, the Peri Para Ink Color Cara offers so many beautiful colors, and I'm using the brown today. This is also waterproof and smudge proof. For eyeliners, I'm using Etude House Play 101 pencil. This is one of their best sellers and probably has more than 100 colors to choose from and with so many different ways to use. You can use light shimmer pencils as highlighter or the red ones as lip products. And today I'm using dark brown color as eyeliner. It's so smooth and easy to apply. It's waterproof and smudge proof when it dries down. I also like to use liquid eyeliner to accentuate the end of my eyes. This Cleo Kill Brown eyeliner is waterproof, smudge proof. The fine tip is so easy to control and apply. Once it dries down, it can last the whole day. Kill Black and Kill Brown are one of my favorites. For liquid eyeliners, use it from middle to the end above your eyelashes for a soft and daily look. DCE is famous for their beautiful colors and great makeup products. This Take a Layer Multipop has creamy texture and can be used on your eyes, cheeks, and lips. The color is so pretty and it's soft and easy to blend. I'm using Beauty Blender to apply as blush today. There are simply way too many great lip products in K-Beauty to choose from. The color selection, the price, and the long-lasting power is unparalleled. This Peri Para Airy Velvet Lip Tint is their newer version from several years ago, and it's also one of my favorite lip tints. They come up so many different colors every season. It's long-lasting, doesn't dry out your lips, and it has velvet and matte finish. It doesn't transfer, and if you don't reapply, it fades away so pretty and it won't leave ugly stain in the middle of your mouth. Apply in the center of your mouth, and I like to use my finger to smooth out the lip lines for a more soft look. Okay, here is the complete look. These are only a few of my favorite Korean products. There were so many more that I'm not able to name all in these 2 videos. Comment down below what is your favorite K-beauty products. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And as always, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!